Height-quality stove vent hood, made of premium 430-grade brushed stainless steel. Classical pyramidal hood fits most kitchen decors. Optional carbon filter kit available for ductless. Purchase part #USGDCFY. 450 CFM airflow, with 3-speed push-button control, quiet 55 dB noise level, energy-efficient LED lighting. Your ideal kitchen ventilator. Wall mount chimney-style kitchen hood. The unit dimensions 29.3-inch W x 18.3 L x 36.3 H. Adjustable chimney from 15 3/4 inch to 29.1/2 inch, 40 cm to 75 cm, fit 7.5 to 8.5 foot ceiling. Extend up to 10 foot ceiling with extension. Need to sold separately. Part #USDEX01. Reusable range hood filters, 5-layer aluminum mesh filters, removable and reusable, easy to clean. 5-year limited parts warranty, professional team to offer you efficient service. Includes hardware, instructions, duct pipe, air backdraft damper, and chimney flue duct covers. 6-inch round top vent. The duct range hood comes with a duct pipe, included, vents outside and away from your home. This is the most used type. It ensures high performance, high capacity, and low noise level. The ductless range hood removes cooking odors by means of a dedicated charcoal filter, and recirculating air will come out from the range hood clean, free of grease. This type is suitable for room with no extractor duct. This is a premium blower that instantly pulls smoke and odors from the surrounding air, keeping your home free from indoor pollutants. 5 layers aluminum filter are special designed to gain a much stronger structure, and all the plate we used for the body are min 0.6 mm material. Tieasy range hood is made of fully heavy-duty brushed stainless steel, ensuring easy maintenance, sturdiness, and corrosion resistance. LED light, 2W, that mounted directly below the stove hood clearly illuminate your cooking area and provide you with a bright and clean kitchen.